Good morning, students. Let us start today class. Today we are going to discuss about compositions of functions. Okay. In earlier classes already we have discussed about functions and type of functions. Yes. So you will understand. Clearly you will understand. Now here we are going to learn compositions of function. What is compositions of function? You see. Usually we will take only one function f. So we know already the function is a tends to b. So here we want to consider as a two functions f and g. Two functions f and g. The function f is a tends to b, and the function g is b tends to c. Then means what is the meaning of this? So a set elements are called x. So x value you substitute in the function f means you will get it as a f of x elements. So these f of x elements are called b set elements. Yes. Now after substituting the x value you will receive as a f of x. Again this f of x value you want to substitute as a function g. So okay, the function f you should substitute in the z, you will get it as a c set element, that is z of f of x. Composition function you will get. So consider the two functions f and g. F is a tends to b, and one more function g is b tends to c. Then the compositions of function. Then the compositions of functions f and g denoted by, how we want to denote f? This is composition symbol, f composition g. So you want to write it as like that. Want to read f composition g. Okay, is defined by this. How we can write it as means f composition g is equal to f of, so f composition g of one x you want to, first the function x you want to substitute. Okay, x want to substitute means this f of g of x, f of g of x. So then means you will get it as the the functions of g of x you will receive. Okay, like that we can write, or else suppose g compositions of f means, okay, g compositions of f of one x you want to add, then this we can write it as g of f of x, g of f of x. Then means first f of x value want to find, then after that the f of x value you should substitute as the g function, you will get it as a g composition f. Okay, here x value is always choose from the set A. Okay, this symbol is given for all. A you turn and put means this called for all x belongs to A. A value x where want to choose, from the set A want to choose. Okay, from the set A want to choose. So for all x value where we want to choose, from the set A. So x belongs to A. This symbol is for all. So f compositions of g or g compositions of f we can write. So this definition is f composition of g, one x you want to apply, function x first want to apply means remove the composition symbol means f of g of x. Then means first g of x you want to find, then this g of x value you substitute in the function f means you will receive as the answer, f composition g you will receive the answer. Like that, first here g compositions of f of x, then means first f of x value you want to find, the f of x value you substitute as the function g means you will get it as a g composition f. Okay, so while solving the problem you will understand this compositions of function. Then means what is the actually compositions of functions? So the compositions of function is kind of chain reaction, yes, where the functions where the functions act upon one after another. One after another. This is called compositions of function. Okay, it is a kind of chain reaction. Okay, it is a kind of chain reaction. Yes, because first this x value we are applying function f. So after receiving the function f, you are substituting as the function g. Okay, like that it is going on. We are taking here 2 set, now here 3 set. Then we can take 3 sets, 4 set, 5 set, like that, etc. How many sets also we can choose. Okay, it is a kind of chain reaction. Then these the function act upon one after another. Yes, so first this will act, after that this will act, so like that it will act. Okay, so this is called compositions of function. Now using this definition, okay, using this compositions of function, we are going to solve the problems. Okay, see exercise 1.5, first problem. Find f compositions of g and g compositions of f. Check whether it is equal or not. Which one? F compositions of g and g compositions of f equal or not. Question, it is given first point. F of x is, the function f of x is x minus 6, g of x is x square. Okay, see solution. First, given function you should write. Given function f of x is x minus 6, g of x is x square. First, f compositions of g you want to find. So f compositions of g, first x value you want to substitute. Now this, how we can write it as f of g of x we can write. Remove the composition, then we can write it as a f of g of x. Now this we can write it as f of g of x, it is given. G of x is, what is that? X square. G of x is x square. Now f of x square value we need. Already we know what is it, f of x. The function f of x is x minus 6. We need f of x squared, means instead of x place you substitute x squared. So x squared minus 6. Then means f of x squared value is, what is that? X squared minus 6. Without writing this directly also we can write. So x squared, where we want to substitute from function f, want to substitute. Function f is, what is that? X minus 6. So instead of x place you should substitute x squared. So that x squared minus 6. Okay, this is called f compositions of g. So consider this is equation 1. Now next, g compositions of f. Turning and substitute. Now g compositions of f, one x you want to, x value you want to substitute. Now this we can write it as g of f of x. G of f of x. Remove the composition, we can write it as g of f of x. Now g of f of x, the function f of x is given. What is that? Function f of x is x minus 6. So instead of bracket inside you should write x minus 6. F of x value is x minus 6. Now how easily we can write it? Write it as how x minus 6, where want to substitute? Function g want to substitute. Function g is x squared. So instead of x place you should substitute x minus 6. So you do not know directly, by side you should write g of x function is x squared. So g of x squared is, what is the answer? G of x squared means, sorry, g of x minus 6. G of x minus 6. G of x minus value only we want. So g of x minus 6 is equal to, instead of x place you substitute x minus 6. So x minus 6 to the whole square. X minus 6 to the whole square. So here write what is that then means. So instead of x place you substitute x minus 6, means x minus 6 to the whole square. X minus 6 to the whole square. We know already this, what is the formula of is this? A squared, a minus b whole square. So a squared minus 2 2ab. That means 2ab plus b squared, 6 squared. Now you should simplify this. What you will get? X squared, okay, minus 2 6 are 12, minus 12x plus 6 square means 36. This is equation 2. Now check from 1 and 2. Question has to find F composition G and G composition F. So we got answer F composition G and G composition answer. From 1 and 2 you check whether it is equal. No, it is not equal. Therefore F composition G is not equal to G composition F. Okay, the compositions of function is not commutative. Not commutative. Actually this is commutative property, so it is not commutative. Okay, that's all. See, third point, second point homework. Okay, so like the same method you want to work out. So third point, the function f of x is equal to x plus 6 by 3 and g of x is equal to 3 minus x. So first you see solution. First given function you should write. Given f of x is x plus 6 by 3 and g of x is equal to 3 minus x. First f composition G want to find. So f composition G is equal to 1x want to first add. So f composition G of x. Now removing composition, so f of G of x. So like definition this we can write it in the form of f of G of x. Okay, so we are multiplying actually here including the x. Then this composition we can remove and write. So f of G of x. Now this is f of, instead of G of x what is there? 3 minus x. Okay, instead of G of x 3 minus x you should write. Now you know directly you can write it as, or else by side you want to work out. Okay, now f of 3 minus x value we want. So 3 minus x where want to substitute? Function f want to substitute. So instead of x place, so function f is here. So instead of x place you should substitute 3 minus x. So instead of x place 3 minus x plus 6 whole divided by 3 want write. So you do not know, first you f of x write x plus 6 by 3. So f of 3 minus x means, so instead of x place 3 minus x want write, then means instead of x place 3 minus x plus 6 by 3 by 3. So here what you will write? 3 minus x plus 6 by 3. Now number we want to compare. Plus 6 plus 3 you should add means 9. 9 minus x by 3. So this is equation 1. This is the value of f composition G. Next G compositions of, we can write it as G compositions of f of x. This we can write it as G of f of x. Now this Z you should write f of x is given, what is that? X plus 6 by 3. Bracket inside f of x value write x plus 6 by 3. Now x plus 6 by 3 where want to substitute? Function G want to substitute. Function G is here is there. So instead of x place x plus 6 by 3 want to substitute. So you should substitute means, see, now this equal to, okay, don't know by side write. G of x is 3 minus x. I need the value of G of x plus 6 by 3. So instead of 3 minus, instead of x place only what want to write? X plus 6 by 3 want to write. Okay, so space is not, so I will write down. So 3 minus of, instead of x place x plus 6 by 3. So you should write continuously, you should write. Now this is the value of G of x plus 6 by 3 answer. What is that? 3 minus x plus 6 whole divided by 3. This actually this step don't want. Directly we can substitute. So G x plus 6 by 3 where want to substitute? From G want to substitute. So 3 you should write minus minus. Instead of x place alone you remove and write this value x plus 6 by 3. Now see here denominator is there, but here denominator is not there, so the cross multiplication want to do 3 3s are 9 minus common for this both also, this minus is, so minus x minus into plus minus 6 whole divided by 3. Now 9 minus 6 here number, so 9 6 is it's go 3 minus x by 3. So this is equation 2. So from 1 and 2 you check, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, F composition G is not equal to G composition F. Yes, because F composition G we received answer 9 minus x by 3. Here we received answer 3 minus x by 3. So both also it is not equal. Therefore this not equal. This we want to check whether it is equal or not. So it is not equal. See next fifth problem, fourth one you want to find. So in this exercise, fourth problem alone you will get it as a equal. F composition G and G composition F you will get it as a equal. Sometimes rare case, sometimes we will get it as a equal. Okay, then fourth problem you will get it as a equal, you work out it. Okay, fourth subdivision. Now fifth one you see f of x is given and g of x. We want to find f composition G and G composition F. See solution, first given function you should write. Given function is f of x is 4x squared minus 1 and g of x is 1 plus x. So first want to find here f composition G. So this we can write it as f composition G of x. This we can write it as f of G of x. Now f of f of G of x. So f of G of x is, what is that? 1 plus x. Now this we can write it as f of f function f want to substitute. So f of x is 4x squared minus 1. Now f of 1 plus x we need. So instead of x place you should substitute 1 plus x squared minus 1. So what is that? This answer 4 times of 1 plus x to the whole square minus 1. Okay. So this you should simplify. 4 of a plus b to the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Actually multiplication is the meaning. Dot means. Okay. Close the bracket minus 1. Now 4. Here 4 into 1 square. 1 square value 1. 4 ones are 4. Okay. Next plus here 4 2s are 8. 8x plus here 4 into x squared. 4x squared minus 1. This 4 is common for this 3 value alone. Now first x squared term right, 4x squared. Next x term right. Next constant term one right. 4 minus 1 3 plus 3. So this is equation 1. This is called F composition G. Okay. Next G composition F want to find. Next G composition F is equal to, we can write it as G compositions of f of x. Now this we can change G of f of x. Remove the composition and we can write G of f of x. So G of, here f of x is, what is that? 4x squared minus 1. Now we know already what is that? G of x is 1 plus x. We want G of 4x squared minus 1 value we want, then means 1 plus, instead of x place you should substitute this one is 4x squared minus 1. Now 4x squared minus 1 where want to substitute? Function G want to substitute. Function G is 1 plus x. So 1 plus, instead of x place you should substitute this one. So 4x squared minus 1. That only I have did here. Okay, 1 plus 4x squared minus 1. Now see, plus 1 minus 1 will go remaining, you receive 4x squared alone. This is equation 2. So therefore from 1 and 2 you check, from 1 and 2 clearly it is not equal. F composition G is not equal to G composition F. That's all. So compositions it's over. Okay.